so once we've signed up, it will take you into the Add Business screen. So we're going to add in our business name, business email, trading name, our address, ABN, first name and last name, contact number, so you can also add in your landline number and a fax number if you have one. We're adding our website URL, and all we need to do is add in our Facebook profile link and Instagram profile link. Once you finish, press save. It will say thank you for registering your business. Our admin are verifying your account.